Hi Carpentry Addict, welcome again to your favorite woodworking, DIY projects and tool tips channel. I am Domingo Freire and today I will talk you about this awesome tool, the WORKPRO Oscillating Multi-Tool. In the description of this video I will leave you the link so you can see and buy this and other WORKPRO tools. This is the WORKPRO Oscillating Multi-Tool. It is an excellent tool to use for remodeling, and its specialty is plunge cuts. The WORKPRO Oscillating Multi-Tool brings us several accessories. Among the cutting accessories that it brings us are these that we see here. As you can see, some have a flat tip and others have a round tip. You have to know that there are accessories for plastic and wood, which is a softer material, and there are accessories for metal and wood, which are a harder material with smaller cutting teeth. Another accessory is the scraper, which is used to scrap with the help of the oscillating movement of the tool. Another interesting accessory is the one that works to sand surfaces. It is triangular and allows us to enter in the corners. It has Velcro to place the sandpaper quickly. We can use coarse or fine sandpaper when working with this accessory. It is placed like this and is well attached to work. Position the cutting accessories by moving this lever. Flip it over to place the accessory that you want to use. You move the lever back again so that you can work with the tool. At the top of the tool is the power on and off button. And here we have the speed control, which has 6 speeds. To cut soft materials we will use high speeds, and for hard materials we will use low speeds. Let's see this tool in action. We can use this tool to sand flat surfaces. The triangular shape of the sanding accessory allows us to reach the inner corners of any surface. Before making any cuts, we must make sure to use the appropriate cutting blade. In this case, I will use the special blade for cutting wood or plastic. Now I'm going to show you the effectiveness of this tool making cuts flush with the surface. By using the cutting blade for wood and metals, we can cut wood and the nails that are always used in carpentry. This is the most frequent use of this tool when cutting structures and pieces of wood in any remodeling job. With this cutting blade you can easily cut nails. If you want to cut screws, you must use a tungsten carbide cutting blade, because screws are a harder metal than nails. This tool is also very useful for cutting PVC pipes, and by using the metal cutting blade you will be able to cut copper pipes and any aluminum profile very efficiently. For all of these characteristics, if you work doing remodeling, this tool will be very useful for you. Thank you a lot for watching this video. Remember to click on like, share and leave me your comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am Domingo Freire and I love if you can give me a super thanks to support this channel, and I will see you in my next video.